The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB will monitor the routes in Metro Manila on Monday, April 15 as transport groups Manibela and Piston will hold a transport strike. LTFRB Chairman Attorney Chofilo Guadis III issues a stern warning to operators and drivers who will join strike that their franchises may be revoked. He is referring to those jeepney drivers who have already secured their franchises when they joined a transport cooperatives.
Pag nakita ho namin yung mga jeepney nila, pwede ho namin silang tuluyan na hong tanggalan ng prangkisa. Dahil meron hong mga iba pa na may prangkisa pero tila sumasama sa mga grupong ganito.
Manibela and Piston announced their nationwide transport strike to start from April 15 up to April 30, which is the deadline of the franchise consolidation. The two groups still call for the termination of Public Utility Vehicle Modernization Program or PUVMP, and the 5-year validity of franchises should be reinstated. Even if the deadline pursues on April 30, members of Manibela and Piston will continue to ply their routes.
Tatakbo kami dahil ang sabi ng Kongreso, Kongreso lang ang pwedeng magtanggal sa aming mga prangkisa. Tatakbo at tatakbo kami. Kung huhulihin nyo kami, kami na mismo ang lalapit sa inyo sa opisina ng LTO at LTFRB. Ibabalagbag namin dyan yung aming mga jeepney. Hindi ho kami natatakot na kayo ay manghuli sa amin. Kayo po ang matakot.
Meanwhile, LTFRB is confident that even if the PUVMP pursues after April 30, there will be no scarcity of public transport in Metro Manila.
Very confident po kami na may masasakyan po ang mga pasahero by May 1, and by May 1 ho, may mga itinalaga na rin po kaming rescue buses in the event ho na may mga areas na kulangin po.
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.